You have no idea that how fit you feel has nothing to do with how fit you are.
India is the diabetic capital of the world.
By 2030, we will be actually heart disease capital of world.
The proneness to heart disease is 3 to 5 times.
And we get patients like in their 20s and 30s with heart attacks.
And they have a sudden death while gymming, while in parties, they are on the rise, and what to do to prevent them.
I want to give a message. When you get pain, you have already missed the bus.
We have got smaller arteries as compared to Western population. So they are more likely to get blocked because of, even optimal cholesterol levels.
38% of the deaths in men and 36% in women are due to one risk factor, and that is sedentary lifestyle.
Sitting on a chair is worse than smoking.
Whatever you get from the mess, dining hall, takeouts, that is all garbage.
High carb diets, high sugar diets, then physical inactivity, then obesity, which is very common in India. And what we get is increasing waste. And when you increase waste, you actually lower your lifeline.
Stress is another factor which is there. Lack of sleep, that is another.
When you're doing echocardiogram, you give a sad news to the person. You automatically see the heart function getting affected. It's amazing the kind of impact emotions has on the heart.
COVID has affected heart in a very negative way. Not only the coronary arteries, but also the heart muscle.
There is a more pragmatic guideline, as if I may say, around taking 8,000 steps a day.
See, for a healthy heart, you need 40 minutes of exercise covering 4 kilometers. That's it.
All the technologies to predict heart attack 10 years ahead. But we are not practicing because we feel that you go to your doctor, they will find something and I will undergo unnecessary procedure. That is the biggest problem in our society. People have to say that once a year, when I'm fit and fine, I want to see the doctors and I want to get all the tests done. I'll give you an option. Don't see the doctors, but get the test done.
I worship my body because I have realized that that's the place where we have to live in. In fact, it's the healthy body which blesses us with a lot of positivity, clean thinking, and well-organized thoughts. And I truly believe that being fit is the new luxury. This is one of those things which you can't earn without the hard work. I'm Meenal Pathak. I'm a health and a well-being coach, a mother of 2 super energetic kids, and I love what I do. Hi, how are you? Uncle is regular in park. When I saw him sitting on a bench, I thought he might be just resting for a while. But when I paused to greet him, I realized that there's something wrong. He told me that he has this uneasiness or some palpitations from quite few days. I asked him if he has visited a doctor. He said no, he doesn't like the very idea of going to the hospital. So I insisted that I'll take him to nearby hospital for getting his ECG done because I know his son stays abroad. I was surprised to see that the entire waiting area was full of patients. Some were severely ill. Now I could understand why Uncle avoided visiting the hospital for just getting an ECG done. The very process of getting the ECG done is so scary, and I'm sure it's so complicated for him to get it done in the hospital. I shared my experiences of the day with the doctor and asked for his advice, but what he said literally surprised me.
The duration of presentation after the start of pain, it is around 3 days average. but the golden hour is around 1 hour or 2 hours. So if you reach hospital within 2 hours or 3 hours, then you can actually prevent major damage to your heart. So anyone who is likely to have heart attack or who is having heart attack, he must have that ECG device with him. Either ECG device or in very nearby center where ECG can be done. But this ECG device, like Sanket ECG device, very easy to carry, very portable, and you can just get an ECG with just a touch of that device, and that gives an PDF format ECG, and you can send it to your cardiologist or physician through an app. The ECG during initial hours, within 30 minutes or 1 hour, even 2 hours, that makes a difference.
I was so relieved and intrigued to know about a device which can help you get ECG done at home, and the very idea that it is so portable, so compact, I wanted to know more about it. I got to know that the makers of the device are based out of Delhi NCR, so I thought it is the best opportunity to clear out all my doubts.
ये दुनिया का अकेला डिवाइस है आज तक जो सिर्फ टच करके मेडिकल ग्रेड 12 लीड ECG देता है। इस डिवाइस अकेले से लाखों लोगों ने अपनी ECG ली है, जिसमें ज़्यादातर वो लोग हैं जो कि डॉक्टर नहीं हैं, वो मेरे और आपके जैसे लोग हैं जो ये डिवाइस घर पर यूज़ करते हैं।
This looks really interesting. मैं ट्राई कर सकती हूँ?
बिल्कुल।
Okay.
बस इसमें आपको अपने दोनों थम्स इन इलेक्ट्रोड्स पे रखने हैं, एंड दैट्स इट। मैं ऐप स्टार्ट करता हूँ और आपकी ECG अब इस पे लाइव आना शुरू हो जाएगी, और विद इन 15 सेकेंड्स वील गेट अ फर्स्ट रिजल्ट।
Wow, this looks amazing.
Agatsa was started with only one motto, that nobody should die because of delay in reaching hospital because of cardiac issues. My father-in-law was detected with a cardiac disease.
When we took him to doctor, his arteries were blocked 90%. तो उससे बहुत बड़ा सा एक अंडरलाइन चीज हमें बताई गई थी डॉक्टर से कि कभी भी चेस्ट में पेन हो तो आप ECG ले लीजिएगा।
When this thing happened, we got thinking that there must be some tool which anybody can use at home, and at least he comes to know that this is a cardiac problem and not a general gastric problem. Making a medical device is not easy, and that too electronics which has lot of components.
जो डिवाइस हमने बनाया है ये पहले तो डॉक्टरों से बहुत क्लोज कोऑर्डिनेशन में बनाया, और इसकी टेस्टिंग एक से एक हॉस्पिटल, एम्स, नारायण हृदयालय जो देवी शक्ति का है, जयदेवा, अमेरिकन कॉलेज, WHO ने, वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने पूरे धारावी में इसको कोविड में यूज़ किया है, और फिर इस डिवाइस के बारे में खुद लांसेट में जाकर के लिखा है इसकी एक्यूरेसी के बारे में। तो एक्यूरेसी हमारा नंबर 1 मोटो है। Accuracy, easy to use and affordable. Because we believe in inclusive innovation.
The biggest of the innovation awards, be it Mashelkar Award, be it Marico Innovation Award, be it Bayrak Weiner Award, Aegis Graham Bell Award, all these awards just because of sheer innovation and because people believe that in what we were doing, and people believe that it can create a big impact.
आजकल जैसे सुना है कि 10 मिनट में आपकी ब्रेड आ जाती है, ग्रोसरी आ जाती है, वो 20 मिनट में भी आए तब भी ये चलेगा। लेकिन हम जो करने वाले हैं और हम वो करके रहेंगे कि बहुत शॉर्ट टर्म में कि 10 मिनट में आपका डायग्नोसिस, ट्रीटमेंट ECG का शुरू हो जाएगा, और एम्बुलेंस से अगर चाहिए होगी तो 10 मिनट में आपके घर पे खड़ी होगी।
After this, all my doubts were clear, and I was so happy to know that they already have a wide customer base and the device has been able to help thousands of people in India.
आपको जान के ताज्जुब होगा कि ये डिवाइस माउंट एवरेस्ट तक पर यूज़ हो चुका है। हमारी इंडियन आर्मी इसको बिल्कुल बॉर्डर लाइन पे यूज़ कर रही है, और रिमोट से रिमोट एरिया जैसे कि अंडमान निकोबार है, वहाँ से हमें ECG इस डिवाइस से आ रही है।
I run a company that takes people out high altitude, and it's an adventure tour operating company. So I'm mostly traveling with people from all over the world, all across the Himalayas in India, Nepal and Bhutan. If there is a anomaly which has happened in your heart and you don't know about it, then you need to do a comprehensive ECG. Those things are not good for me because I'm mostly in the mountains, and I have people who can or may have had a heart condition which they don't know. That's when I came across Sanket. This is the device. It's a very small device. and it has 3 points which are basically works by touch actually. So, and this is giving the 12 lead heart monitoring, which is like excellent.
कि हर घर ECG, तो हम लोग हर घर में इस टेक्नोलॉजी को पहुंचाएंगे.
And we have multiple stories here, which we get to hear from users only.
Being a food lover, I really couldn't control my diet. And the kind of job I am in, there are long sitting hours, and it is always being a challenge for me to control my diet and control my health. But this compact ECG device has been a wake-up call for me. It's incredibly simple to use.
I must say now it has become a vital part of our daily life.
Accuracy is, I think, quite remarkable, because whenever we have discussed the report of this machine with our doctor, they were very impressed that these machines are giving such useful reports.
Like my mother-in-law also keeps visiting us, so it is really helpful if we keep a check on her health, her heart rates.
It's not just about the aged people anymore. Even in the younger generation, people working out in the gyms, people jogging, walking around, or on their regular jobs, we have seen that heart conditions poses quite a threat to them as well. This reminds me of my Zumba student. She's recently joined and she's staying away from her family, and I can't keep her diet in check because she is working in shifts, pretty odd timings. Sometimes it is a night shift also, and monitoring her workout, monitoring her daily nutrition is very difficult.
As I'm more concerned about my heart health, I struggle to being consistent in exercise routine and healthy diets.
This can come in really handy, and this is answer to all those excuses that we are not well, but we don't want to go to hospital, I don't want to stand in the line, I don't want to sit on the hospital bed. You can do it easily at home now. Just check it out. And this is very, very important, because preventive healthcare is the best healthcare.
It can prevent your catastrophes, can help to detect early heart attack.
And gives an early diagnosis. What else do you need to get treated better, right?
See, the whole idea of healthcare should be prevention. My advice for everyone is, don't think about how fit you are. As I said in the beginning, how fit you feel has nothing to do with how fit you are. Only the numbers will show. So every Indian must know their numbers.